Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
Hello kids! Let's color the jellyfish. Dive into fun and color this jellyfish. Get creative and make it sparkle.
You're amazing. I'm so proud of you. Great job. You're doing your best, and that's super. I believe in you. Your creativity is awesome. I'm so proud of you. Keep trying. You're almost done.